In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 steps to solve App Store not downloading any apps on any iPhone. Okay, let's quickly see the solutions. Number 1. Turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular connection once. For that, just go to Settings. If mobile network means, just go to Cellular and turn off and turn on once. Likewise on Wi-Fi connection, turn off and turn on once. Now check on App Store if apps starts downloading. If still not, number 2, restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release volume up button and press and release volume down button and hold the sign button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see that, release your finger, then it automatically restarts again. And once it's turned on, check if it resolves our problem. For home button models, you just turn off and turn on your iPhone once. That's it. If still not, number 3, reset network settings. For that, open Settings and then scroll down a bit, General, and scroll down to the very end and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset. Then click on Reset Network Settings and enter the screen passcode. Then reset network settings. After this, connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi or cellular, then check if it works. If still not, number 4, check date and time. For that, just open Settings, a little bit scroll down and open General and open date and time. Then make sure it sets on automatic and also try 24 hours time zone. Then check your problem was solved. If not, number 5, check your country and billing address. For that, just open App Store. Then click here. Then here. And you can use your Face ID or just enter your Apple ID password. Once you do this, then tap country or region. Then change country or region. And once again select your correct country. And click agree. Again. Then here you can choose none, or you are a regular purchaser means you can add your card details. After that, enter your address. Just type street, city, state, postcode and your phone number. Then click next. Done. That's it. Now check again. Definitely this time it works. Hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching.